Hello kids, today we are going to learn 50 fruit names. Are you ready? Let's start! Apple. This is an apple. Apples are red and sweet.
Orange.
This is an orange. Oranges are juicy and round.
Watermelon.
This is watermelon. Watermelons are big and full of juice.
Kiwi.
This is kiwi. Kiwis are brown outside and green inside.
Avocado.
This is an avocado. Avocados are green, soft, and very healthy.
Pineapple.
This is pineapple. Pineapples are spiky outside and sweet inside.
Blueberry.
These are blueberries. Blueberries are tiny and blue.
Blueberry. Raspberry.
This is raspberry. Raspberries are small and red.
Raspberry. Mango.
This is a mango. Mangoes are called the king of fruits.
Peach.
This is a peach. Peaches are soft and sweet.
Peach. Banana.
This is a banana. Bananas are yellow and soft.
Banana. Grapes.
These are grapes. Grapes can be green or purple.
Grapes. Strawberry.
This is a strawberry. Strawberries are red with tiny seeds.
Strawberry. Pomegranate.
This is pomegranate. It has many tiny red seeds.
Pomegranate. Star fruit.
This is star fruit. When you cut it, it looks like a star.
Star fruit. Coconut.
This is coconut. Coconuts have water inside them.
Coconut. Cranberry.
This is cranberry. Cranberries are tiny and tangy.
Cranberry. Jackfruit.
This is jackfruit. Jackfruits are very big and tasty.
Jackfruit. Dragon fruit.
This is dragon fruit. It looks pink outside and white inside.
Dragon fruit. Custard apple.
This is custard apple. It is green outside and sweet inside.
Guava.
This is guava. Guavas are green outside and soft inside.
Guava. Pear.
This is a pear. Pears are green and juicy.
Pear. Cherry.
This is a cherry. Cherries are small, round, and red.
Cherry. Plum.
This is a plum. Plums are sweet and purple.
Plum. Papaya.
This is papaya. Papayas are orange inside and very healthy.
Lychee.
This is lychee. Lychees are small, sweet, and juicy.
Lychee. Fig.
This is fig. Figs are soft and sweet.
Fig. Lemon.
This is a lemon. Lemons are yellow and sour.
Lemon. Blackberry.
This is a blackberry. Blackberries are small, dark purple, and very juicy.
Cantaloupe.
This is cantaloupe. It is round and orange inside.
Cantaloupe. Gooseberry.
This is gooseberry. It is small, green, and sour.
Gooseberry. Passion fruit.
This is passion fruit. It has yellow inside with tiny seeds.
Sugarcane.
This is sugarcane. Sugarcane is long and full of sweet juice.
Sapodilla.
This is sapodilla, also called chiku. It is brown outside and sweet inside.
Sapodilla. Grapefruit.
This is a grapefruit. Grapefruits are round, juicy, and a little sour.
Mulberry.
This is a mulberry. Mulberries are small, juicy, and can be black, purple, or red.
Jujube.
This is a jujube. Jujubes are small, red or brown, and taste sweet.
Tamarind.
This is tamarind. Tamarind is brown outside, sour inside, and very tangy.
Olive.
This is an olive. Olives are small, green or black, and used to make olive oil.
Elderberry.
This is elderberry. Elderberries are tiny, dark purple fruits that grow in bunches.
Blackcurrant.
This is blackcurrant. Blackcurrants are small, round, and dark purple in color.
Persimmon.
This is persimmon. Persimmons are orange, smooth, and taste very sweet.
Quince.
This is quince. Quinces are yellow, hard, and smell very nice.
Kumquat.
This is kumquat. Kumquats are tiny, orange, and taste sweet and sour.
Lime.
This is a lime. Limes are small, green, and taste sour.
Lime. Ugly fruit.
This is an ugly fruit. It is bumpy, greenish yellow, and tastes sweet and tangy.
Durian.
This is durian. It is big, spiky, and has a strong smell, but tastes sweet inside.
Mangosteen.
This is mangosteen. It is purple outside and white and juicy inside.
Longan.
This is longan. Longans are small, round, and juicy.
Longan. Loquat.
This is loquat. Loquats are small, yellow-orange, and very sweet. For more such videos, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.